The Fuel Pro is designed to be an all-in-one fuel filter, water separator, and fuel heater. The most recognizable feature is the clear Seeing is Believing cover. This cover allows you to see when not to change the filter. When a new filter is installed, only a portion of the filter media is required for filtration. As the fuel is filtered and contaminants collect in the filter, the fuel level will begin to rise up the filter, maintaining optimal filtration and low restriction. The optimal change point of the LMAX filter is when the fuel is within 1/4 of an inch from the metal end cap at the top of the filter. If the filter is changed before this point, you are discarding a good filter. In regards to non-LMAX filters, additional fuel restriction doesn't begin until the fuel level is at the top of the metal end cap, so it is more difficult to determine the amount of filter life left when a non-LMAX filter is used. For more information regarding the LMAX design for maximum filter life, please refer to the DAVCO website at www.davcotech.com and click the Seeing is Believing link on the homepage. Using a DAVCO collar wrench, loosen the black vent cap on the top of the clear cover. Open the drain valve and drain the fuel processor until the fuel level is below the top collar. This fuel can be set aside and reused to prime the filter or disposed of in an environmentally safe manner. Using the DAVCO collar wrench, loosen and remove the collar from the clear cover. Remove the clear cover from the body and vent cap subassembly from the clear cover. Remove the filter element by pulling it straight up. Ensure the filter grommet is removed from the threaded stud. Dispose of the used filter in an environmentally safe manner. Remove the vent cap O-ring and clean the vent cap before installing the new O-ring provided with the replacement filter. Place the vent cap off to the side for later installation. Remove the O-ring from the bottom of the cover. Clean the cover and install the new O-ring provided with the replacement filter. Place the cover off to the side for later installation. Using a clean shop towel, clean the threads to remove debris and ease the collar installation. Before installing the new filter, ensure the grommet is secured in the base of the filter. Place the filter on the emergency spin-on stud and press down firmly to seat the grommet. Ensure the spring is in the top of the clear cover. Place the cover over the filter and then the collar over the cover. Apply downward pressure on the clear cover and rotate the black collar until it is tight against the body, using both hands to tighten the collar. Tools are not necessary for tightening the collar. If the collar is over-tightened, it can distort the cover O-ring and possibly become an air leak source. Fill the fuel processor with fuel to the top of the clear cover. Install the vent cap in the top of the clear cover, finger tight. Start the engine and idle for 1 minute. With the engine still running, slowly open the vent cap until the fuel level drops to 1 inch above the collar. Hand tighten the vent cap. No tools are required to tighten the vent cap. If the vent cap is over-tightened, it can distort the O-ring and possibly become an air leak source. The Fuel Pro Seeing is Believing technology allows a visual check to know when the fuel filter needs to be changed. Do not change the filter until the fuel level is 1/4 of an inch from the top of the metal end cap of the LMAX fuel filter. This will eliminate unnecessary filter changes.